So after you've done your e ngā mana, e ngā reo, ngā mata waka, then you'll go into your pepeha, ko whatever, te maunga, ko blah blah, te moana, ko blah blah, te iwi, ko blah blah, te hapu, however you want to do it. Then you're going to transition. Okay, here's your transition line. Wai tēnei e tūwake nei. Who is this that stands before you? Ne. You got to say it like you mean it. Ko wai tēnei e tūwake nei. Right, then you say your name, right? Ko uenuku taku ingoa. Ko Nehemia raua ko mere. Oku matua tipuna. So my grandparents are Nehemia and Mere. Ko Rāpata raua ko mātiria. Oku matua. My parents are Rāpata and Mātiria. So there's your grandparents, right? Now I've got a word there. Mātua is parents. Mātua tipuna is actually great-grandparents. But you can say oku ko mātua, my elders. Oku koroua is another word you can use for grandparents. And so after you've introduced your parents and grandparents, you can come down to introduce your brothers and sisters.